The future of war isn't tanks and jets anymore, it's AI, and the race for dominance is already on. But who's leading the charge? The US. With its cutting-edge defense contractors, the US military is integrating AI into every level of warfare. From autonomous drones to AI-driven decision-making, the US is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do on the battlefield. Their AI-powered drone fleets and predictive cyber warfare systems are leading the charge in the future of conflict. China isn't far behind. With massive investments in AI surveillance, drone swarms, and robotic soldiers, China's AI military is rapidly becoming a force to reckon with. They're focusing on AI-enhanced warfare, allowing for real-time battle decisions and control. They're even working on autonomous submarines to patrol contested waters. Russia is all about AI-powered missile systems and robotic tanks. They've developed AI-driven artillery systems that can autonomously target and fire on enemies. In cyber warfare, Russia's AI capabilities are among the best in the world, with a focus on disruption and offense. So, who has the edge? While the US has the lead in AI technology, China is rapidly catching up, focusing on innovation at scale. Russia may not have the same resources, but their expertise in AI-powered weapons gives them a dangerous edge.